If you're looking for some fun and exciting new vegan food products, in this video, I'm going to share with you 12 vegan food products that I'm really excited about right now that are all available for purchase and delivery on Amazon. Hi everyone, I'm Veronica, a former professional vegan chef and turned homemaker, and I love sharing all kinds of vegan food products that I share on my Amazon storefront as well as my YouTube channel and my blog. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some vegan food products that were sent to me as well as some that I purchased on my own that I'm really excited about. So let's dive in. All right, this first product is called Smash Foods Jammy Protein Bites. I first found these at Costco and I've since been repurchasing them again and again for a very specific reason. Well, one or a couple of reasons. One, these are packed with protein. These have 8 grams of protein per package and they're really delicious actually. One thing I really love is that they're made with sunflower butter and strawberries. They also come in other flavors as well. But what I really like is the simple ingredients that are inside of these. So these have dates, sunflower butter, brown rice protein, oat flour, strawberry juice concentrate, chia seeds, sea salt, vanilla powder, and fruit pectin. So they have 8 grams of protein. They also have iron, potassium, and calcium and fiber. So this is actually a really great snack. The kids have been really loving these. They come in packages like this. This is a box of 4, and then on Amazon, I'll share links in the description below to all of these products, but they have a bunch of different other flavors. They have varying amounts of protein, but this one I found is probably one of the higher ones. And this is what they actually look like. I'm going to kind of smash it so you can see it, but the kids have been really loving these, and I even really like these, especially as a quick protein boost, and I keep them in the car as like a really great snack. So definitely check out Smash Foods Jammy Protein Bites. Now, this is a product that was sent to me to try. This is Simple Mix's pudding mix and pie filling. This is dye-free, chocolate, natural flavor. Not all of their products are vegan, but this one is. And if you're looking for a really great pudding mix, because pudding is so fun and delicious, and you can make pudding pies, you can make this as a dessert. I mean, there's so many things you can do with pudding mix, but a lot of times the ones at the grocery store are not vegan, but this one is. It has cane sugar, cornstarch, alkalized cocoa, potassium and sodium, phosphates, natural flavors, canola oil, and salt. So this is just actually a really great option for making desserts. I think kids would probably really enjoy making a pudding mix like this. And all you do, it even includes instructions on how to make this with non-dairy milk. For non-dairy milk, you add 1 1/4 cup of milk and allow to set for 1 to 2 hours. And they don't recommend rice or coconut milk, but I would probably recommend soy milk, which is how I plan to show you how to use this in an upcoming video. So be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel because I will be sharing some demos of how to use a lot of these products in upcoming videos. All right, now this product was really fun. This company actually sent me this to try as a sample. This is the Kim D Veggies Instant Noodles. Not all of their products are vegan, but this one is. This is plant-based protein ramen. So if you're looking for a really good vegan ramen, on Amazon you can have this sent directly to your house. One package here has protein, or 22 grams of protein per serving, and I think, let's see, I think it's several servings. Oh no, one package is 1 serving, has 230 calories. But what I really like is a lot of times products like ramen have a bunch of really weird ingredients, but this one specifically has, for the noodles, it's just wheat flour, gluten, acetate starch, pea protein powder, and salt. And then for the seasoning, it's really just a bunch of different vegetable powders and kombu powder, which is a seaweed powder, so, and maltodextrin and salt, so, and a little sugar. So this is actually a really simple ingredient type of ramen noodle, and it's packed with protein. They sell these in multiple packs too, so you can buy one, I think, or several. But I'm excited to share this in an upcoming video of how exactly we use this. My husband has been really craving ramen lately, so I'm excited for him to be able to try this. And actually, it says 4 servings in here, so I think it's 1 pouch is 22 grams, and then there's 4 servings in this 1 pack. So that's actually a really great deal. All right, and then I've shared this in several videos, but I am obsessed with these Go Macro Kids macro bars. These are smaller versions of the Go Macro bars. They're great for kids, and they actually have 4 grams of protein per serving. This one here is the oatmeal chocolate chip cookie, but I actually subscribe to these and have these automatically sent to my house every month. They're certified USDA organic, and there's 7 bars in one box, so they're pretty affordable, and they're actually a really great breakfast bar or snack bar that's packed with protein. Here's a look at the ingredients list, but I definitely recommend these if you're looking for a good protein or snack bar for kids, especially because they are USDA certified organic. Now, I've shared these in a recent video where I shared how to make bubble waffles vegan using the Annie's organic pancake and waffle mix. But if you're looking for a really great organic pancake and waffle mix that can be made vegan, this is a great option. I really like that this is not made with enriched flour. It's made with just organic wheat flour. This one here is the confetti, and then they have a plain classic here, but the ingredients are really simple, and I love that on the back it actually shares how to make it vegan. So they recommend using some non-dairy milk, and instead of the egg, doing 1/3 of a cup of applesauce. And I made these using my bubble waffle maker in another video, so check out that one. But these were a hit in our family's house, and we really enjoyed these. So I did purchase both of these on Amazon, and they're actually a really affordable price, especially for an organic pancake and waffle mix. And you can do so much with a product like this. You don't have to just do pancakes and waffles. I plan to share some recipes in the upcoming videos of how I use this type of mix in a variety of ways that are unexpected. So be sure to like this video and subscribe to get notified when that video is out. Now, if you're looking for some good vegan candy, check out the Shameless Snacks candies. This is a variety box that Shameless Snacks actually sent to me for my honest review. These are gummy candies, but they have a whole bunch of different types of candies. These ones are like, I think the sour ones. They look like the sour. These are plant-based ingredients. They're gluten-free, keto-friendly, and they're low in sugar. These are 3 grams of sugar. So I like that they actually have this one here that's a variety box, because then you can kind of have a variety. But these are great, especially for if you want to have a nice little candy treat, but you don't want to be eating a whole bunch of random food colorings. So the ingredients here I'm showing you on this screen, they're pretty simple. They're much better than regular gummy candies that can be found at the store. And I love that they're vegan, because a lot of candies actually have gelatin and things that aren't vegan. So definitely check out Shameless Snacks on Amazon, and stay tuned for an unboxing video of this one. And finally, I wanted to share with you some products that actually contain a really interesting ingredient, which is called Irish sea moss. And if you've never heard of this before, this is a really vitamin and mineral rich seaweed that is found in the Atlantic region of the United States of America. You want to get wild crafted. This is what it actually looks like. This is the basic Irish sea moss. You soak this and then you blend it with water to make like a gel. This is great for raw food, vegan recipes. I'm going to share a link in the description below to a blog post where I share 5 raw vegan recipes that use the Irish sea moss in them as a binder and a thickener. It's a really great ingredient for those types of recipes. But if you're getting this, if you want to eat this in terms of nutritional value, first check out all of the vitamins and minerals that are in this. It's got calcium, iron, manganese, magnesium, niacin, folate. I mean, just so many minerals. This is such a powerful food packed with minerals. And there's another company, this one is True Sea Moss. They sent me this one to review, as well as this company here, BioLore. They sent me these ones to review. These are sea moss gels that have already been soaked and pureed, and then they combine it with some other flavors. This is the elderberry. They have strawberry. I think this one is the most popular. It's the mango pineapple. Now you can actually use these types of gels in the raw vegan recipes that I mentioned earlier and that I'm linked below, because there's like a cheesecake recipe that I share that's a raw vegan cheesecake, and you add Irish sea moss gel, but you can actually just use one of these already prepared gels and have like a strawberry flavored cheesecake or a mango pineapple or elderberry. And then they have a whole bunch of other flavors. Both of these companies sell sea moss gel like that. And then another fun way to get sea moss into your diet by True Sea Moss is these sea moss gummies. This is what they look like on the inside. These are really fun and they're suitable for kids 5 and older as well as adults. So definitely check out these products below on Amazon if you're looking to add more vitamins and minerals into your diet. So thank you so much to my sponsors of this video for sending me some of these products, and be sure to check out the Amazon storefront links below of where you can purchase these. Check out my Amazon storefront because I share like hundreds of vegan food products that are available on Amazon, and be sure to use my affiliate links because it does support my channel. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.